These push-ups will change your entire body, guaranteed. Many people do push-ups like this with perfect form, but guess what? You're targeting all the wrong muscles if you're doing it this way. So today I'm gonna show you how to do 3 different types of push-ups that will target your upper body and your lower body at the same time, so you can build an incredible physique like this one. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to do these 3 exercises with perfect form. So make sure you watch until the end. The first exercise is called the feet elevated push-up. This is gonna target your upper chest and your shoulders as well as your quads and your glutes. Start by placing your feet on top of a chair or a bench, keeping your body in a straight line from head to toe. Lower yourself down by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the floor. Then press into your toes and push back up. Make sure your knees are fully extended during this movement and try to keep your body in a straight line as much as possible. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Now the second exercise is called the incline push-up. This one is going to target your upper chest and shoulders as well as your hamstrings and your glutes. Start by placing your hands on the floor slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Then raise your hips up and over your head so that your body is in an elevated position. From there, lower yourself down by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the floor. Then press into your palms and push back up. Make sure your body stays in a straight line throughout the entire movement. As you're doing this, you should feel your upper body working hard to lift your hips higher and your lower body working hard to stabilize your pelvis. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. The third exercise is called the decline push-up. This one is going to target your lower chest and your triceps, as well as your quads and your glutes. Start by placing your feet on the floor and your hands on a bench or a chair. Then lower yourself down by bending your elbows until your chest is just above the floor. Then press into your palms and push back up. Make sure your body stays in a straight line throughout the entire movement. Do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. And for the grand finale, I'm going to show you guys how to do a clap push-up. This one is very difficult, but if you can do it, it will definitely help you build upper body and lower body strength at the same time. Start by getting into a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Then, in one fluid motion, lower your body down, and as you do, clap your hands together. Press back up and repeat. Make sure your knees are fully extended during this movement, and try to keep your body in a straight line as much as possible. Do as many as you can, and if you can't do any, that's okay. Just work on getting your regular push-ups down first, and then work on the clap push-ups. So if you want to build an incredible physique like the one I showed you at the beginning of this video, then make sure you follow along with these exercises. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you next time.